At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here. Vybz Kartel granted US visa. This is a good news. This is a good news for the world, boss. Yes, man, me like it. Hey, Kartel, God is on your side. Let me tell you, God is on your side. According to Nationwide, dancehall artist Vybz Kartel has been granted a US visa. Our sources say Kartel picked up his passport with the document on Monday afternoon in Laguna, St. Andrew. Wanna hear them something here? Our sources. You see how they can find out people business and come out and talk about it. But when people are dish out for them business, them run Ghana relevant sources. Wanna see that though, my people? When them ready, them come and bust people bubbles. But when people want bust back for them bubbles, or people out here bursting up their bubbles, they run gone to the local authority and this authority and one bag of something. Wanna see how them stay? Wanna see them say, them sources tell them say, Kartel pick up the passport. For them sources tell them say, Kartel pick up the passport. So then, if for them sources tell them say Kartel pick up the passport, wanna see, Daryl Vaz was right. Nothing is secret in a Jamaica. Nothing is secret. Cause look now, passport office, wanna see what them a do? Wanna see what them a do, my wisdom warriors? Jesus mercy. Jesus. No man, nothing is no secret anymore. Daryl Vaz, you is right. You is right. Because if Nationwide can come out and say, our sources say Kartel pick up his passport with the document on Monday afternoon. Mighty God. Labor right there no easy, The labor right there no easy. Jesus mercy. It's understood that with his visa issue now resolved, the 49-year-old Kartel is getting ready to travel to Los Angeles, California to attend the 65 annual Grammy Awards. Wanna hear them something here? Hey, me people, me I tell you, me no really hear Kartel come out and say too much about that, but me know him come out and he was thanking God and stuff like that. So take a look at this.
People, I tell you something. See, God is the greatest, yeah. And you see faith, move mountains. And you see teamwork, let the dream work. But never forget, all things you have to put God and do good. Believe me, I say. But this under my nose.
So my wisdom warriors, that is the only response we get from Kartel. You understand? He never go into detail and saying get visa and stuff like that. But he's just thanking God and stuff like that. Anyway, my people, hear this. A detective corporal attached to the Runaway Bay Criminal Investigation Branch in St. Anne is in serious condition in hospital following a two-vehicle collision along the Laughlands Main Road yesterday. It's reported that about 12:55 p.m. the corporal was heading to a crime scene when he failed to keep left and collided with a Toyota Corolla station wagon. Commanding officer for Westmoreland, Superintendent Othniel Dobson, says the continued use of a zone of special operations ZOZO in the division has significantly contributed to a reduction in murders. Superintendent Dobson was speaking with Prime Minister Andrew Holness during a recent tour of the parish. According to the JCF crime report on January 25th, Westmoreland has recorded one murder since the start of the year. My wisdom warriors, so them say, because there's other murder will take place and it's not reported. So I don't understand what them talking about. Yeah, but you know them already. Them come out and say crime is reducing, crime is reducing. And when that the year they pass and we in another year, then at that time you hear them say the crime was up last year. Remember yesterday me talk about it. Remember good no? Remember yesterday I talk about it, my people. Yeah. Them say last year crime was up 25%. 24 or 25, one of them percent last year. But the whole of last year, they weren't saying that. Remember good Jamaica? They weren't saying that. You think they're easy? My people, hear this. The government has imposed a state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division effective today. A statement from the Office of the Prime Minister indicated that the police division, especially Spanish Town and surrounding areas, remains volatile following last week's unrest. As a result, the security forces have requested immediate intervention to address the escalating threat to public safety and prevent further destabilization. My wisdom warriors, yeah? The security forces, them a request. Them, you know. Them. Boy, they must feel good how them a kill people. You know, say, uno figure Iraq? The way how uno just lash out on the innocent people, them, uno figure Iraq go fight real crime. Yes. Uno figure Iraq go fight real crime. And me wouldn't like the citizens them come out more. I would like the citizens of Jamaica to come out more and protest about crime and violence. You need to come out and protest. Take this serious. Take this serious. Because if you don't keep on allowing all these things to happen, it's only going to get worse. We have to stand together, Jamaica. Please, may I beg you, stand together. My people, hear this. Opposition spokesperson on investment, trade and global logistics, Anthony Hilton, is calling for the government to be proactive in its response to reported rising tension at the port of Kingston among some workers. The workers reportedly calling sick yesterday for their shift at Kingston Freeport Limited to register their dispute. My wisdom warriors, listen to me, man. Yeah, the government, you see the government, they're not easy. The people, they not get good pay. That is the whole thing. A money, you know. A money. The people, they not get good pay. Seriously. The people, them not get good pay. And the government not act as fast as how they should act. You understand me? And not only them, the JIS, which is Jamaica Information Service. Hey, and Joel is wicked to all him own disgruntled staff. Lord Jesus. You know what just come to my mind, my people? Just stick a pin. You know what come to my mind? I remember when the Gleaner, you know, them did a protest and one bag of something so they not get good pay and one bag of something nationwide have it all over. So how many say nationwide have up this? How many say nationwide have up this? Disgruntled technical staff at the Jamaica Information Service are taking action over unresolved issues under the new public sector compensation scheme. The workers say among the contentious issues are placement in the wrong band, which sees them getting less than what they were paid prior to the new compensation system. I tell you no, this is the Jamaica Information Service, you know. We only post the Jamaica Labour Party, you know, they don't post nothing about the opposition. And if you see them post something about the opposition, I must something bad. May I tell you no? Me I tell you no, my wisdom warriors. God bless what them show about the opposition. Very little them post. Very little. Everything, Andrew Holness. See they know? The whole of them disgruntled, confused and stressed out over compensation. The whole of them then disgruntled, then confused and then stressed right out to the ground. And that for happen to you, figure you. You think me feel sorry for you? I don't feel sorry for you every day on the out here. I show only things where Andrew Holness want to show, but uno not show reality. That's why I not rate uno. Uno not forget nothing. Uno not forget $1. You think I joke me make me people? Me say they not forget $1. This Jamaica Information Service, Yeah? Remember, say that's Andrew Wallace, you know, them deal with, you know. A government sitting this, you know, and if Andrew Wallace a deal with the government people, them so. Eh? Mighty God. Jamaican people, me just a show you this, you know, make you see what is going on. All I see them are going like them are do all good and all is well. All is not well. All is not well. The people, them not happy at all, at all, at all. The people, them not happy. So, uno need to go and settle these people, their unrest. Uno need to go and settle uno JIS. JIS, really and truly, I don't even know why me attack phone. I don't even know why me attack phone. Uno say do, uno only post pure things with Andrew Wellness. Pure things with Andrew Wellness. Already nothing no go so una post it, but uno don't post reality. This is why me no feel sorry for uno backside. Uno no forget a cent. Me people, uno tell me what uno think.
This is your Member of Parliament, Michael Phillips. Moving forward, we will give you regular updates on works that's happening across the constituency. In December, we were able to do some patching out of the $10 million that was given to each constituency to do some patching in the month of December. Roads that were patched were the Comfort Hall to Mile Gully Road, Freetown to Medina, and the Hatfield to Lincoln Road. Roads that were recommended under the REACH program, which was also started in December. We were able to do the Big Head Street, the Lincoln to Mount Prospect Road. For this phase in January going into February, the Epping Forest, St. Paul to Kensham, and Evergreen Road, which already has prep work done, and the patching should be done in another 2 weeks. In REACH Phase 2, the recommendations have been for Hibernia, Freetown in Hibernia, the Greenvale Housing Scheme, West Road to Knowles Road, and Coley Mountain. The SPARK program, the roads that have been recommended, not only by me as Member of Parliament, but through the consultation that was done in the constituency a few months ago. The roads that have been approved are the Lincoln to Mount Prospect, the Wickwar to Silver Grove, the George Reed, Evergreen, and Providence roads. The Kingsland Subdivision, Racecourse, and New Green. These roads have been approved by the SPARK Secretariat, and we await the announcement of when any of these roads will be started. The Prime Minister made an announcement in Parliament recently that SPARK program should start in February. So we hope that some of those from Northwest Manchester will be in that list. So I'll keep you updated and I'll talk to you soon.
So my wisdom warriors, only hear what Michael Phillips say. Okay, because they know so they will approve it, you know, but nothing not done. Remember, you know, so far, you know, appear labor right place, them I do, you know, and appear patch, them a patch up. Pure patch. Down at Westmoreland, pure patch. I see Venetia show it over our Twitter. Pure patch, them a patch up road. When I ask the people them, what really are going down there so? I say, so Andrew Wallace then and fix road down there. The people them say fix what? Patch them a patch up road. You understand me? So, patching up road. Is that fixing road? Is that fixing road? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. On a bless up on a nice, clean self. One love.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going on?
All right, guys. So I just checking in because remember, you know, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? Is that time?
Guys, no. Okay, all right, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me there? So? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me know say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend. No problem. No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Let the trumpets play.